I'm Chuck Poller. I'm one of the Cloudbusters. I'm flying a M520 Cicerone long burn motor in this 4-inch rocket. It's flown on the M520 once before. It went 19,800 some odd feet. And then it flew on an M795 once to 23,000 some odd feet. And it's virtually windless, so I'm hoping to get 20,000 this flight. It's got 2 altimeters, and it's a Charger themed rocket. I was born and raised in San Diego, so this is the rocket's name is Nuts and Bolts, and it's got lightning bolts on it. And so that's my Charger themed rocket.
Well, thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.